shared by these four people. Okay? And the more our conversations overlap, the more words we share in common, even if they're all misspelled, the more likely we're talking about the same thing. Okay? And so in this case, it was able to figure out that there are four people. I'm going to have and get Google to translate this right now. They're talking about Red Crescent enters the quantities of food and drinking water to end the central prison of Aleppo. So you can kind of see, I didn't know to ask that question in Arabic. I didn't know people were talking about a prison in Aleppo. I didn't know any of those things, okay? And the idea of pattern detection says when you don't know what to look for, here's where you should start. Now the great thing about this is kind of the exact same process that the police use. They don't know the existing drug names that change all the time on the street. They don't know gang lingo about certain techniques that they're going to use or tasks that they're going to take out because they change that all the time. The system doesn't need to know that in advance. And the system will say, I'm seeing these patterns, and they're correlating across all these people. And in fact, what I haven't shown you, you can open this up, it will actually show you those four people. And then there's actually a second piece that I'll come back to if we have time, because I want to show you some other stuff. It will actually connect all those people that are talking and tell you about who else that they're kind of related to and connected to in the environment of data. If this was email, it would be the other people they email. In this case, it's social media, it's who their friends are. So you can actually then start with people that are talking, which is what they do, and find people that are not talking, but they're connected to those people. So when you're looking for terrorists, you will find the lower level terrorists talking, but to find the people really in charge, or gang leaders or terrorist leaders, it turns out they're not the ones that are speaking. And one of the techniques, though, is you start to listen to the people that are speaking, and you let the network analysis, which if I get a chance I'll show you here, it will find all the people that are really important to these people. Okay? It does a network analysis say, all these people speaking about this, they all basically voted this person up as very, very important. And it doesn't use typical social media followers and things like that. It uses who's connected to who. It is this connection and relationship that's